Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini in VS Code. First, open the extensions view in VS Code and search for Gemini. Install the official extension provided by Google. Once installed, navigate to the extension settings and follow the prompts to authenticate with your Google account. This crucial step links your VS Code environment to Gemini's powerful AI capabilities, allowing seamless interaction. Make sure your VS Code is updated for optimal performance. With Gemini set up, you can now open the dedicated chat panel, usually found in the sidebar. Here, you can initiate new conversations, ask programming questions, or request code generation. For example, you might ask for a Python function to parse JSON. Gemini can also leverage the context of your currently open files, providing more accurate and helpful suggestions tailored to your project. This makes debugging and development much more efficient. Gemini isn't just for new code. It's excellent for improving existing projects. Highlight a block of code and prompt Gemini to refactor it for better readability or performance. You can also ask for explanations of unfamiliar or complex code, helping you understand its purpose quickly. Furthermore, Gemini can assist in generating unit tests for your functions, saving you valuable development time and improving code quality significantly. To get the most out of Gemini, always strive for clear and specific prompts. The more detail you provide, the better and more relevant Gemini's responses will be. Don't hesitate to experiment with different ways of phrasing your requests to fine-tune the output to your exact needs. Remember, practice makes perfect when interacting with AI. Also, for some great deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.